Good morning, this is Peter Boulton. I just had that thought, sort of thinking back to that man called Jim Rohn. I think Jim Rohn is one of my mentors, really. Bless him, we've lost him now, he died some years ago. But he was an American, and he told a story about really how he didn't want to live like this anymore. And what really happened is, as he calls it, it's the day that turned his life around. And I think sometimes that should resonate with all of us, that sometimes we need to suddenly think, well, do we not want to live like this anymore, whatever this is for you or for me? And do we actually want to change our lives and do something differently? And I think really for me that happened last August when I tripped over a video advert, not very dissimilar to something like this, where I was introduced to the idea of starting and running my own online business in the marketing space. And at the time, I have to be honest, I was a little bit skeptical about that, but started to quite quickly appreciate when I took some steps and I decided to change the way that I was living, that I would start to have the freedom to work how, where and when I wanted to. And that was really in this digital online marketing business. It means now today that, if I want to work for today, if that means going out and seeing clients or making phone calls or putting some adverts out, I can choose to do that. But in the same way, if I choose, as I did yesterday, on what was one of the hottest days in the UK ever recorded, I believe, that I could choose to do other things rather than perhaps going out and doing work, which might have felt more uncomfortable in such a hot and humid day. So let me just encourage you that if you're seeing this video because maybe you've heard about this opportunity before and maybe you haven't done anything about it, but maybe you're still thinking, well, do I really want to live like this anymore? Or would I appreciate to say that today is the day that changed my life and I did something different? Can I encourage you to have a look at my website, which is peterbolton.com. I'll leave the address on the bottom of this video so that you can reference it at the end. Go and have a look at a free video workshop, which is basically the same free video workshop that introduced me to this online business, starting and running an online business in a marketing space, creating value for other people that then buy the products that I'm introducing them to, which help to increase their business values and their profits, etc., which I think is a great thing to do. Then click on that link at peterbolton.com, have a look at the free video workshop and see if this is an opportunity that might change your life. It might be the day that changes your life when you see that video presented by Stuart Ross, who is the founder of that business called SFM. And perhaps in looking at that, you might decide to make a change too. Anyway, I'll leave that thought with you this morning. It came to me and I thought I'll share it with you because, it's changed my life when I made that decision back in last August, and maybe it would change your life for the better too. Anyway, have a great day.